how to download and install the software, how to create a project, a very detailed explanation about the platform, how to save a workspace, how to import media files, how to speed up or slow down a clip, how to create sequence. I also shared how to do basic editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. You will also learn how to add B-rolls, how to add texts and format text, how to add effects and transitions, basic audio editing, audio synchronization and saving audio presets, how to do color correction and color grading, and how to add graphics and keyframes to your videos, how to add music and sound effects, how to use green screen to remove and change your background. I also shared about 10 shortcut keys to make you edit faster in Adobe Premiere Pro. You will equally learn how to circle crop a video or an image. You will also be exposed to sample video editing, complete guide from beginning to the end. You will learn how to export your videos in different formats, including MP4, and how to export specific sections of a video. At the end of this course, I have attached a PDF summary of the entire course, the processes of editing from beginning to the end of it. So if you are most interested, you can give it a try.